Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Fetch AI price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also seeing a breakout out of a bullish pennant here on the 4-hour chart to the upper side. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that after seeing our low at around the $0.0525 mark, we started this 5-wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 completing the formation of that first wave to the upside. Then, having seen the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now bottomed out here on the charts within this red target area down here. And having seen the low for this second wave, I now believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis, to give you the short-term scenarios and also give you my target areas to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first take a look at this chart pattern that you have over here, which is a bullish pennant that is now giving us a breakout to the upper side. And we can get the minimum targets for the breakout by getting the height of this pennant using a trend line by which we can use to get that height. And once we get the height, we can then place it at the apex of this pennant right here, the area that you are getting the breakout to the upper side. And that gives me a minimum target area to the upper side at around the $0.7109 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect a breakout out of this chart pattern to the upper side to do. And at the time of this recording, you can see that the breakout has started, and there are chances that here on the 4-hour chart, maybe we might see a retest of this upper side, that is the upper trend line of the pennant, before we can continue gearing up to fully maximize our minimum target areas. So that is what we can expect for the breakout out of these bullish pennant that you have here on the 1-hour chart, that is on the 4-hour chart. And now getting back to the Elliot wave structures to give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Fetch AI chart, I believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas in the formation of this wave 3. And it is this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of that wave 3 that is going to give me the short-term scenarios. And I believe that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis and to give you the short-term scenarios. Here on the 1-hour chart, you can see that after seeing our low within this red target area down here, we started this massive bounce to the upside, where we have now peaked in that first wave of this Elliot wave structure right here in red. We have also seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now bottomed out within this blue target area. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and giving you a target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.6311 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upside to do. And for that move to also play out, we need to watch the wave 1 high, which lies at around the $0.4842 mark, because a break above that high will trigger even higher prices to help us continue gearing up until we fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3. And in case the breakout out of the bullish pennant that I've shown you on the 4-hour chart is a success, there are high chances that you are going to fully maximize these minimum target areas, have a high in that wave 3, then expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side to complete that larger Elliott wave count 3 to the upper side. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Fetch AI chart. Continue watching for a retest of that bullish pennant to the upper side, and once the retest is in and a success, then there are high chances that we are going to continue unlocking even higher prices. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 62 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we had been able to print a bearish cross, though we are seeing a sharp decrease in the selling momentum, suggesting that soon we might be able to print a bullish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.